I've been high and I've been low. The hard times come and the hard times go, and it feels so far and it feels so close. What can I do? Saw you there from across the room. Ripped up jeans and a new tattoo. If it feels this good, then it can't be true. But what can I do? Oh, you're everything I'm looking for. Yeah, now I'm all yours. Take my hand, baby, don't think twice. You and me going left to right. Come on, let's get lost in the Dublin lights. We'll be alright. Save your stress for another day. One more song and it's all okay. Come on, let's get lost in the Dublin lights. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. Oh me, oh my. Leave your bags in the world outside. Oh me, oh my, there's only space for a real good time. One more Guinness and a kiss so sweet. See you spinning, come and dance with me. And a blurry night is all I see. Look at those eyes. Oh, you're everything I'm looking for. Yeah, now I'm all yours. Take my hand, baby, don't think twice. You and me going left to right. Come on, let's get lost in the Dublin lights. We'll be alright. Save your stress for another day. One more song and it's all okay. Come on, let's get lost in the Dublin lights. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. Take my hand, baby, don't think twice. You and me going left to right. Come on, let's get lost in the Dublin lights. We'll be alright.
This dance is called Dublin Lights, choreographed by Marlon, Ronkes, and Romain, Brasme. It's a 64 count, 2-wall, phrased, easy, intermediate level line dance. There are Part A 32 counts, Part B 16 counts, Part C 16 counts in this dance. The dance sequence is A, B, A, C, A, B, A, C, C, A. Now let me go over Part A. Part A has 32 counts, 2 walls. Section 1 starting with the right foot for count 1 to 4. Traveling slightly to the right. Right foot, touch and left foot, heel and right foot, touch and left foot, heel and right foot, side rock recover cross, left foot, side, right foot, side. Section 2, left foot, sailor step, quarter turn right, right foot, sailor step. Now you're facing 3, stump left foot forward, brush your right, stump right foot forward, brush your left, stump left foot forward, twist both heels to the left, back to center, weight on your left. Section 3, right foot, cross rock, recover, side shuffle. Left foot, cross rock, recover, side shuffle. Section 4, right foot, heel grind, quarter turn right, left foot back, right foot together. Now you're facing 6, left foot, heel grind, quarter turn left, right foot back, left foot together. Now you're facing 3. Pedal 3, quarter turn to your left. Quarter turn left, point, quarter turn left, point, quarter turn left, point, touch. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. This is Part A with the counts 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me go over Part B. Part B has 16 counts, 1 wall. Section 1 starting with the right foot, quarter turn right, step right foot forward, Continue half turn right on your right foot. Lift, left leg back, left foot back, quarter turn right, right foot side, facing 12. Left foot, extended weave to the right. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, touch. Section 2, quarter turn left, step left foot forward. Continue, half turn left on left foot and lift right leg back, right foot back, quarter turn left, left foot side, facing 12. Right foot, extended weave to the left. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, touch. This is part B with the counts. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now let me go over part C. Part C has 16 counts, 1 wall. Section 1, starting with right foot, shuffle forward, left foot, shuffle forward, half turn left, shuffle, quarter turn left, right foot side, left foot together, quarter turn left, right foot back, facing 6, shuffle half turn to your left, quarter turn left, left foot side, right foot together, quarter turn left, left foot forward, facing 12. Section 2, shuffle back, right foot, shuffle back, left foot, shuffle back, step right foot together, and brush both hands back on hips. Brush forward, clap, click. This is part C with the counts. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.